Well, it was an emotionally charged public hearing this afternoon as a pair of pro-life bills submitted by Governor Calvo to the legislature went up for a public hearing. The first, Bill 51, the Unborn Child Protection Act of 2011, prohibits abortion of unborn children capable of feeling pain. It started with testimony from Dr. Marjorie De Benedictis when she was questioned by Roy Respicio on the topic of if she would support the bill if an amendment was introduced that would require anesthesia be provided for the fetus.
If such an amendment were required, yes, I would be okay with an amendment requiring fetal anesthesia.
But why wasn't this bill run through the Attorney General's office even before it was submitted to the legislature?
Senator, I'm just a doctor. I don't know about legislature procedure. You know, I'm here to testify on behalf of this bill, and I don't know why you're asking me questions about legislatural procedure, because I really don't know.
Well, maybe,
maybe
this is an opportunity.
Testify.
Yeah, because my fear, Mr. Chairman, is that if in the event we do submit this to the Attorney General for his review, we're going to be criticized for doing some kind of delay tactic.
So you're worried about criticism instead of fetal pain?
If I was worried about criticism, I wouldn't be here today. And I want you to know that. But I also want you to be very fair and just when we debate this issue in the public or through the media.
As the hearing progressed, a sense of decorum began to deteriorate.
That's my prayer, that we don't add these value judgments and just discuss the issue.
Sure, fair enough.
Can we agree? Because Dr. Benedictis called me a pro-baby killer, and I was very insulted by that.
Well,
I'm not even pro-choice. I have a 6-year-old son, and you have publicly made those comments during the last election, Dr. Benedictis. So I'm asking, can we just remove these labels and just discuss the issue and move forward from here?
Senator, I think you took us
excuse
down
me,
this
Shane,
road.
if I could, and I'm going to ask members of the panel.
Oh, come on, Mr. Rohr, why don't you take the seat too?
All right, I will.
No, you know,
So we have to
excuse me.
listen to your personal vendetta. Of the
What's
last
my
election.
personal
At a
vendetta
public
here?
hearing on a bill that doesn't have anything to do with you right now? Because you
The
got...
bill has-
No, excuse me, excuse me.
Bill.
No, excuse me.
I don't know
Any order on this?
that.
Any order in this hearing, please?
He asked